So I decided, okay, I'm up like 625 or something. I'm like, there's a stack. I don't know how many reds that was.
It was $40.
$40. And I said, I'm going to leave it out there till I lose and I'm done. It doubled it 5 times. And so I just left it there. Boom, double, 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 double.
Wow.
If I were a rich man.
But you could see the pit bosses coming over, looking over us.
I think the pit boss is watching him.
What's he gonna do? You're playing blind. I mean, how?
Yeah, I mean,
Cigarette? What's that? We're nothing, sir. Just setting up your drinks.
I was watching, and that was all I was doing was watching.
I know, but
Yeah.
they were sniffing you out.
It's because they know you're a poker player.
It's a six deck.
It's 6 deck.
Can't count 6 deck.
Well, that's not true.
Well, we won't get into that.
Careful.
Careful, let's not get into that.